Hey guys, Jason W. Perkins. I want to share with you a piece of equipment. Hey guys, Jason W. Perkins. I want to share with you something that I got from the store at Academy Sports and Outdoors. And these are two separate things, but it's a whistle. And it's also a thermometer. You may have seen these. You've got a whistle, thermometer, and a compass. See the compass? Thermometer shows Celsius and Fahrenheit. The whistle, which it gets pretty loud. I don't know, it might get louder. And also on here I have a signaling mirror. This was sold separately, and I put this on a piece of reflective or bright colored paracord. This is good to have with you when you are walking in the woods, when you are doing bushcraft, when you know, as a survival item. You know, because you can, this is a signaling mirror in case you get lost. It's really just a good thing to have in case you get lost. You know, you can signal with the mirror or with the whistle. Hopefully find out at least which way you're going with the compass. You know, if it's a cloudy day, you don't know where the sun is. I put the paracord on here because it's super strong. You might need the paracord for something because you have strands of rope inside the paracord, as well as the fact that it is bright, so you can use the paracord as, you know, so you don't lose it. You know, I like to do that a lot with my stuff. And you throw it down on the ground and you're like, oh, where did that go? You know, you misplaced it. You know, you can find it easier. Also, you can use this as a tourniquet in case you seriously injure yourself or somebody else injures themselves, and you have it around your neck, and you don't have to go scrounge into your bag trying to find a piece of rope or something like that. You know, you just have something that's right here. So that's another thing that's good. Also, one thing I didn't tell you, that inside this is a magnifying glass, which is not only good for making things look bigger, but it's also good for starting a fire if you need to. I mean, assuming you have the sun. Assuming you have the sun and it's shiny, you know, you can start a fire with a magnifying glass. But I thought that was a cool little piece of kit that you could add, and of course it's lightweight, and you just put it around your neck. That's it. Anybody that has any questions about that or any suggestions about how you could add to this and make it even better, leave a comment. Is there anything that can make this better? Am I missing anything on this? You don't want to have too much on here, but I guess maybe you could put a little Swiss Army knife on here or something, but I don't want to have too much weight around my neck, but I thought this was a good idea, so I wanted to show you that. If you liked the video, please put a thumbs up on there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch the journey of me from artist to bushcraft. This is Jason Perkins. Thanks for watching.